Good morning friends, this is Shanmukrao Sivala, a lecturer in English. Welcome to today's class. Today let us discuss very important conjunctions which are very useful in our day-to-day life. They are very useful to enrich your language. To make the language more beautiful, more impressive, we have to use this kind of expressions, conjunctions and all. So before starting the class, please subscribe my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, friends. Okay, let us see friends. Today let us learn the uses of as well as, not only but also. As well, also, to also. All, let us learn all at one place. How to use all these in one place, let us see. And here, as well as and not only but also are conjunctions. And the meaning of the conjunction is in addition to something. So we use as, not only but also, as well as when we have two things. So when we give importance to the second thing, we use not only but also, as well as. While using them, we give more importance or more emphasis to the second thing. Second thing is more important than the first thing. Second thing is more impressive than the first thing. Okay, second thing is given more importance, more emphasis rather than the first thing. At that time we use these conjunctions. He has got two talents. Second one is more important than the first. Not only this but also. And okay, used when we have two things. And when we give a little extra emphasis or importance to the second thing, we use these conjunctions. When we give a little extra emphasis or importance to the second thing. Second thing is more important or impressive than the first. At that time we connect those two with these conjunctions. Now let us see some examples. Radha can sing as well as dance. Radha can sing as well as dance. Radha can sing. She has got this talent. So not only that talent, she has got an extra talent, additional talent, that is she can dance also. She can not only sing but also dance. She has got the extra talent of dancing also. She has got additional talent. So Radha can sing as well as dance. So these conjunctions are used to connect two equal parts of speech. Here sing verb, dance verb. Two verbs are connected by as well as. So here and here two equal parts of speech should come. Two equal parts will be connected by as well as. Radha can sing as well as dance. She can sing as well as dance. She can sing and dance also. And she has got the extra talent of dancing also. And let us use not only but also. Radha can not only sing but also dance. Radha can, common, not only sing but also dance. And after not only, verb came, sing, verb came. And but also verb, dance. Not only verb, after not only, whatever the part of speech we use, after but also the same part of speech should be used. Same equal parts of speech should be used. So these are used to connect two words, two equal words or two phrases or two clauses together. Two equal parts can be connected by these conjunctions. Two words or two phrases or two clauses together. So here, Radha can not only sing, not only verb, not only sing but also dance. She has got the talent of singing. Not only that, she can dance also. She has got an extra talent also. So at that time we use as well as and not only but also. Radha can not only sing but also dance. She has got the extra talent of dancing also. And we can use these also. As well, also, to also. Radha can sing and dance as well. Radha can sing and dance as well. She can dance also, not only sing. She can sing and dance also. she has got extra talent, additional talent, talent of dancing also. So at the time we can use as well. Dance as well. She can dance as well. She has got this talent also. Radha can sing and dance as well. Radha can sing and dance also. As well, also and to means she has got an extra talent. Additional talent. Radha can dance, Radha can sing and dance also. She can dance also. Radha can sing and dance too. Radha can sing and dance too. She can dance also. She has got an extra talent too. So this is how these can be used. As well as, not only but also, as well, also, too. We have used all these at one place. Somesh plays cricket as well as football. Somesh plays cricket as well as football. Here cricket is a noun. After as well as also football is a noun. So as well as connected two equal parts, that is two nouns. It connects two equal parts of speech. That is here two nouns. So Somesh plays cricket as well as football. He plays cricket. He has got this talent and he can play football also. He has got an extra talent of playing football also. He plays football also. So this is an additional talent. This is an extra talent. So here the second part is given more importance rather than the first. The first, okay, he plays cricket. But extra talent is, he has got an extra talent, that is he can play football too, football also. Somesh plays cricket as well as football, along with cricket. Somesh plays not only cricket but also football. Somesh plays, verb is common for both. Not only cricket, after not only noun form, noun, after but also noun, football. Cricket and football both are nouns connected by not only but also. Somesh plays not only cricket but also football. Not only cricket but also football. He has got an extra talent, that is he can play football also. Somesh plays cricket and football as well. Somesh plays cricket and football as well. Football also. He has got an extra talent also. As well indicates also too. Somesh plays cricket and football as well. Football also. Somesh plays cricket and football also. Plays cricket and football also. Somesh plays cricket and football too. Somesh plays cricket and football too. Football too. So he can play football too. Football also. And so different, let us change, we can use them in different way also. Sneha as well as her sister is brilliant. Here you see, so as well as is connected to equal nouns actually. Sneha, her sister, both are nouns. Two nouns are connected by as well as, they came in the beginning. After that the verb came. Sneha as well as her sister is brilliant. Sneha is brilliant and her sister is also brilliant. That is the meaning of this sentence. So we are combining those two sentences using Sneha as well as her sister is brilliant. Sneha is brilliant and her sister is also brilliant. That is the meaning of. Her sister is also brilliant. Her sister is equally brilliant as Sneha. So Sneha as well as, after as well as her sister, noun form, two nouns. Not only Sneha but also her sister is brilliant. Not only Sneha but also her sister. Not only but also. After not only Sneha but also her sister. Two equal nouns. Two nouns are connected. Not only Sneha but also her sister is brilliant. Sneha is brilliant but her sister also brilliant. Her sister is also brilliant. Her sister has also got that talent. So intelligence and the like. And Sneha is brilliant and her sister as well. Sneha is brilliant and her sister as well. Her sister is also brilliant. Sneha is brilliant and her sister is also brilliant. Her sister as well. Sneha is brilliant and her sister as well. Sneha is brilliant and her sister also. And her sister also. And her sister also is brilliant. That is the meaning of Sneha is brilliant and her sister also is brilliant. Both are brilliant. Her sister is also brilliant. So we are giving more importance to the second part, that is her sister. Her sister is also brilliant along with Sneha. Not only Sneha, her sister is also brilliant. So that meaning we are conveying through this sentence. And Sneha is brilliant and her sister too. Sneha is brilliant and her sister too. Her sister is also brilliant. Her sister is also has got the intelligence, brilliance, same intelligence. And like this is how, my dear friends, I hope that you understood the usage of as well as, not only but also, as well also too. So let us discuss some more sentences. Prabhas is a great swim player as well as a great swimmer. Prabhas is a great player as well as a great swimmer. Here we connected two equal parts of speech. A great player, a great swimmer. Two equal parts are connected by as well as and not only but also. And so Prabhas is a great player as well as a great swimmer. He has got the extra talent of swimming also. Not only playing but a great swimmer also. Prabhas is not only a great player but also a great swimmer. Not only this, not only a great player but also a great swimmer. He has got the extra talent of swimming also. He became a great, he is also a great swimmer. Not only a player but also a great swimmer also. So he has got the extra talent also, additional talent also. So not only a great player but also a great swimmer. Two equal parts are connected by not only but also. Two equal parts of speech or words or phrases or clauses are connected by as well as and not only but also together. And Prabhas is a great player and a great swimmer also. Prabhas is a great player and a great swimmer as well. He is a great player and a great swimmer as well also. He is a great swimmer also. Not only a great player but a great swimmer also. A great swimmer as well. Additional talent. Second part is given more importance. So second part is given extra emphasis, stressing. Second part is more impressive, given more importance rather than the first part. First part is he is a great player. Not only that, he is a great swimmer also. A great swimmer as well. A great swimmer also. A great swimmer too. Prabhas is a great player and a great swimmer also. Prabhas is a great player and a great swimmer too. Not only a great player, he is also a great player. He is a great swimmer too. Swimmer also. He can swim extraordinarily also. Not only playing, but he can swim extraordinarily. He can swim excellently. He is an excellent swimmer. A great swimmer too. So, we have learned all these things, my dear friends. So let us discuss different sentences. Ranjita is industrious as well as brilliant. Only one person only has got two talents, that is industrious. Ranjita is industrious as well as brilliant. Industrious means hardworking. A beautiful word for hardworking is industrious, hardworking. Ranjita is industrious. She is hardworking as well as brilliant. Not only hardworking but also brilliant. She has got an extra talent, that is brilliance. Not only hardworking but she has got brilliance also. She has got a lot of intelligence also. Ranjita is industrious as well as brilliant. Industrious is an adjective. Brilliant is also an adjective. Two adjectives are connected by as well as. Ranjita is industrious as well as brilliant. Brilliant also. Not only industrious but brilliant also. Ranjita is not only industrious but also brilliant. Here after not only industrious adjective, after but also brilliant adjective. Two adjectives are connected by not only but also. Is common. Ranjita is common for both. Ranjita is not only industrious but also brilliant. Not only industrious, not only hardworking but also brilliant, but also intelligent. And Ranjita is industrious and brilliant as well. Ranjita is industrious and brilliant as well. Brilliant also. Industrious and brilliant as well. She has got an extra talent as well. That is brilliance. That is intelligence. She has got intelligence as well. She is very intelligent as well. She is very brilliant as well. Ranjita is industrious and brilliant as well. Brilliant also. Ranjita is industrious and brilliant also. Industrious and brilliant also. She has got intelligence also. She has got brilliance also along with hard work. Not only hard working, but she has got a lot of intelligence, a lot of brilliance also. Additional talent, extra talent she has possessed. Ranjita is industrious and brilliant also. Ranjita is industrious and brilliant too. Ranjita is industrious and brilliant too. Brilliant also. She has got brilliance, intelligence also. So this is it. And this is a different kind of sentence. Ramya as well as Sirisha plays chess very well. Ramya plays chess very well. Along with her, Sirisha also plays chess very well. So these two sentences we are combining with as well as. Ramya as well as Sirisha. Here as well as. Ramya and Sirisha both are nouns. Both are connected by as well as. Two equal nouns. Two singular nouns are connected by as well as. Ramya as well as Sirisha. After as well as we have to use a singular verb. Singular verb. Plays. Okay. Ramya as well as Sirisha plays chess very well. Ramya as well as Sirisha also plays chess well. Ramya plays chess very well. Sirisha also plays chess very well. That's the meaning of this sentence. And not only Ramya but also Sirisha plays chess very well. Not only Ramya but also Sirisha plays chess very well. Sirisha also has got the talent of playing chess very well. We are adding another person. We are adding another person's talent also here. Not only Sirisha, not only Ramya, but also Sirisha plays chess very well. And Ramya plays chess very well and Sirisha as well. Ramya plays chess very well and Sirisha as well. Sirisha also plays chess very well. We are adding another person. Ramya plays chess very well and Sirisha as well. Sirisha also plays chess very well. Extraordinarily, wonderfully. Sirisha also plays chess wonderfully. And like we are adding another person's talent, another person. And Ramya plays chess very well and Sirisha also. Ramya plays chess very well and Sirisha also. Sirisha also plays chess very well. Ramya plays chess very well and Sirisha too. Ramya plays chess very well and Sirisha too. Sirisha also can play chess very well. She can play chess excellently like Ramya. So this is how actually when there are two things, we connect those two things with as well as, not only but also, as well, also and to. And when we give importance to the second part, we use these conjunctions. When we give importance to the second part is more important, more is given more emphasis, is more impressive rather than the first part. First part is she has got one talent and she has got an additional talent also. And in that situation we use these conjunctions. They are connected by these things. So these things will enrich our language and beautify our language, beautify our expressions, and our conversation will be rich enough, will be very impressive, will arrest the attention of the others, will grab the attention of the others when we use all kinds of conjunctions, phrases, beautiful expressions, idioms, phrasal verbs, all these must be added to the language to decorate the language, to make the language rich enough. Okay friends, thank you very much for watching the video. Please please like, share to as many as possible and subscribe my channel. So thank you once again friends.